Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to share with you a particular hair growth product I bought from Aliexpress. Yes, so this product, the reason why I bought it was because I've been braiding my hair for the past, I think for the past 5 months now. I've had like 4 braids, and you know what it means, braiding your hair all the time, so your edges is going to be messed up. Yeah, so this is what I got from Aliexpress. If you can see it very well, helps stimulates hair growth, stimulates hair health, and regrow your hair. So I'm not using it for the whole of my hair, it's only for the edges. So this is basically how my edges looks like. So we're gonna do the comparison and see how it's gonna look like in 30 days. Yeah, so today's date is 20th of May. So I'm going to put down this hair maybe in 3 weeks from now. So let's say 21 days. So let's see what happens. So if it's going to grow, if anything's going to happen, definitely I'm going to see results in 21 days. I want hair here, and I want hair here. Let's see the magic it's going to give us. Let me quickly take my thumbnail pictures before I forget. So now I am going to open up this and let's see what we have inside. So it's more like oil. So according to the seller, you're to spray it. So I've taken my bath, so my bath's going to the bed. So I like spraying it. I want to use it at night, so after taking my bath, you know. So I can use it daytime, because daytime I have to like do my edges, so it doesn't expect me to use it and apply gel on it. So the effect, it may not be effective, so it's better when. So let me see. It's not much of an oil, like water. Let me show you. So it's like water. So let's see what it's going to give us in 3 weeks. So guys, I'll see you in 3 weeks from now. I don't know if this actually worked, but based on the my previous, when I started it, so this is what is left. So it was actually here when I started it. So I think this is the hair edges so far. So I don't know if you notice any difference in my edge, because I was actually, I don't know if you notice any difference in my edges, because I really needed to grow this edge very well. I just put down my braids, so as you see some red residues falling from my hair. It's a bit dirty, so I don't know if there's any difference in it. So I don't know. I don't know if it actually works. So guys, check out my before when I started it and after, and see if for yourself if actually there was difference in this, how it looks. I don't know. To me, I'm not seeing any difference. I don't know if there is, or maybe I need to use a 2 bottle to see difference. Maybe, probably. Yeah, it all depends. So just check and know. But I saw the review on maybe these reviews are fake, I don't know. I saw some reviews, and they, according to the reviews, I saw some people with bad head and the before and after. But in the review, I don't know, they didn't talk about how many they use. So maybe that's where the problem is. Maybe you need to use like 2 for you to see results. So this is 1, and I'm not still done with 1. So probably there is, I noticed a little bit, most especially this place, but not really so obvious. You may try it out, or maybe try some other products, depends on you. So I just said I should come and give you guys like updates. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.